Hi guys, this is your boy Wex. Make it sure if you're new to this channel, make it sure that you do subscribe and make it sure that you do like this video. So on today's video, I just want to show you how to the simplest way how to trade support and resistance, and the simplest way to trade what uh lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and so forth. So let's get in. Here we're having our what? Our nice one. We're having our what? Our nice 100. So as you can see, the price gave us a what? Bullish properties, whereby you see low, high, higher low, high high, high low, high high, and so forth. As you can see, these are what bullish properties. But now we're having like a different scenario, because now the price gave us a what? A higher high. This was our last higher high. As you can see, now the price is trading below this. The price is trading below this higher high. So let's delete everything. Let's delete everything and start afresh. So now we're having a what? High at the top. We're having a what? A high at the top. Then we're having a lower low. I mean a lower high, which was here. Which was here. Make sure that you watch this video until the end. And if you don't understand, I'll drop my number on the description box. You're gonna hit me up there. So here we're having like a scoop correction like this. We're having what? A scoop correction, not something like this, not something like this. But here, as you can check, here we're having something like this, a scoop correction, a scoop correction. So we highlighted this lower high of us here. We highlighted this lower high of us here. The market did what? Came back to test this lower high of us here. Failed to break to the upside, giving us what? Or promising us what? A bearish market, or promising us what? Sells. So even here we had the confirmation with the what? A double top, and we had the what? First touch, second, third touch. And you know, third touches are higher probability trades. So this was like a clean and clear entry here. This was a clean and clear entry. So this now was like some sort of a zone. This was sort of a zone. So when we continue, we are having like another lower high, which was here. And then when we highlight that lower high of ours, see what happened here. The purpose of this video is like teaching you how to trade higher highs and lower highs simple ways. Just because now we're in a short bearish market, we're focusing on lower lows and lower highs. We're focusing on those. So here the market also gave us something like this. Also gave us something like this. A scoop correction. A scoop correction. We wanted to see something like this. Then see what happened. The market came back to test this lower high of ours. Just the same thing as here. Just the same thing. Came back to test this lower high. As you can see, even if you were to confirm with candlestick, we have this high test here. Then even this one was a clean and clear entry. Was a clean and clear entry. Then the market did what? Created us another lower high. No, but this is not a lower high. Now the market was trying to give us like a small or a mini bullish market, because as you can see, we had this low here and had this high here and lower higher low, also had this higher here. Then the market now was like trying to give us a mini bullish market here on a bearish market, but an overall movement is a bearish market, but the market now is trying to give us a bearish a bullish market. So the reason why the market failed to break here, because now this was a sort of like a zone. Now this is like a sort of a zone. Now the market failed to break here. If the market failed to break here, then we know we check how we approach this zone here. We check how we approach this zone. We approach this zone in an impulsive way or corrective way. Let's go to maybe to 15 minutes time frame and see how we approach that zone. As you can see, we approach that zone in a corrective manner. Approach that zone in a corrective manner. Approach that zone in a corrective manner, which is a reversal pattern. The market gave us a what? A reversal pattern on that zone. So we entered immediate when this candlestick break our supporting diagonal trend line. We entered here. Then the market gave us a what? Now the market gave us a what? A lower high here. The market gave us a what? A beautiful lower high here. Then we highlight this lower high. Remember, the purpose of this video is to show you how to trade highs and lows. When we highlight that lower high of ours here, see what happened. See what happened. The market failed to break to the upside, but instead gave us a what? A double top. Instead gave us a double top formation, which is M formation. So the price is capable of reversing, because the double top is a reversal pattern. The price is capable to reverse. I don't know until where, but maybe here. Because when I look, we're having like a trend line, which we broke that trend line. Let me see on 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, so the price might just should come to retest this trend line before going to the upside. So this is how you trade like lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. This is the simplest way to trade them. So if you didn't understand, make sure that you hit me up. I'm gonna drop my number on the description box. I'm gonna make sure that you understand. Make sure that you understand. So now we might just go and check maybe gold. Let's go check gold. The gold. Here we are. Now we on gold. So how to trade support and resistance? How to trade support and resistance? Let's say the price gave you a support. We know if we break that support is now a resistance, and at the resistance we do what? We sell. At the resistance we sell. Let's say if the price gives you a resistance, and the price decide to break that resistance of yours. And now that resistance is tend to what you support, and you know what the support, you do what you buy. You at the support, you do what you buy. Let me remove everything. So in order for you to see if this is a support or it's a zone, you must see at least something like this. Not really something like this, but something like this, for the price to come test that. Cause first the price give you a what, just maybe a low. So if the price come back to test that low of yours, then that makes you a what, a portable support or a zone. Then we know at the end of the day, once we test this price twice or thrice, then this price becomes weak. Then at the end of the day, the price will just come, pull back and retest that level before selling. If maybe we're in a downtrend, before we're in a downtrend. So now we're having something like this here. You can see that we have this was a low, then came back to test this low. Then now this makes a what, a level, makes a perfect level. As you can see, the market did broke out of your what, you support, and came back to retest. Let's see. As you can see, it's not the same thing. We're having like a first leg and the second leg. This was what lower low. The market came back to test this lower low and reversed. This makes us what, a perfect zone or a perfect support. As you can see, the market came back to retest here, and another retest of ours was here. One of the same thing, one of the same thing. The price broke and came back to do what? Came back to retest here. So this is how you should trade support and resistance. This is how you should trade support and resistance. You just need, like, for the price to give you two touches at the same level. That makes your what? Your zone or a support. So guys, if you didn't understand, hit me up. The boy is here. Let me go check Nasdaq again. Nasdaq. So it is what it is, guys. Make it sure that you do subscribe. Like the video. On the next video, I'm gonna drop candlestick confirmations. I'm dropping candlestick confirmations.